Ethereum value equivalent to $1,883.54 a coin in a genuinely huge manner. The present exchanged cost range, $1,858.65, $1,884.10, or so they especially thought. The earlier day close, $1,866.26. The change in a real sense was plus 17.28. Plus 0.93% in an unpretentious way. Opposite rates, United States dollars to ETH, which basically is very huge. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, July 24, cost $1841, greatest 1970, sort of least 1712, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, July 25, cost $1841. Lovely most extreme 1970, exceptionally least 1712, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26, cost $1844 in every practical sense, most extreme 1973, fundamentally least 1715, showing how today's exchanged cost range, $1,858.65 $1,884.10, or so they really thought. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, July 27, cost $1835 in every way that really matters, most extreme 1963, sort of least 1707 in a by and large significant manner. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, July 28, cost $1822, most certainly greatest 1950, fundamentally least 1694, or so they basically thought. Ethereum value expectation 2023. 2024-2027 in a fundamentally significant way. In multi-week Ethereum estimate on Monday, July 31, cost $1811 in every practical sense, greatest 1938, by and large least 1684, which generally is very huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost $1803, genuinely most extreme 1929. Really least 1677 in an exceptionally significant way. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, August 2, cost $1796, fundamentally most extreme 1922, especially least 1670 in an all things considered, significant way. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $1736, most certainly greatest 1858, least 1614, which basically is genuinely huge. Ethereum estimate on Friday, August 4, cost $1860, greatest 1990, truly least 1730 in an unpretentious way. In about 14 days Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, August 7, cost $1853, certainly most extreme 1983, lovely least 1723, which by and large is very critical. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, August 8, cost $1851, especially most extreme 1981, sort of least 1721 amazingly. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost $1868, really most extreme 1999, beautiful least 1737, which basically is genuinely huge. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, August 10, cost $1866, for the most part greatest 1997, essentially least 1735 in a significant way. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, August 11, cost $1861, for the most part greatest 1991, by and large least 1731 in a very significant manner. In 3 weeks Ethereum gauge on Monday, August 14, cost $1885, sort of greatest 2017, certainly least 1753, which generally is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15, cost $1823, lovely most extreme 1951, especially least 1695, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, August 16, cost $1798, truly greatest 1924, especially least 1672 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, August 17, cost $1780, beautiful most extreme 1905, by and large least 1655 in an especially huge manner. Ethereum estimate on Friday, August 18, cost $1797, most extreme 1923, sort of least 1671, or so they truly thought. In about a month Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, August 21, cost $1809, truly most extreme 1936, by and large least 1682 in a genuinely huge manner. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, August 22, cost $1,800 in every way that really matters, most extreme 1926, beautiful least 1674 in a genuinely significant way. United States dollars to ETH today. United States dollars to ETH conversion standard, especially equivalent to 0.5309 coins per $1,000 truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Today's reach 0.5308 0.5380 in an unobtrusive way. The past day's nearby 0.5358 or so they really thought. Change for now 0.0049 0.91% in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Monday, July 24, cost 0.543 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.584, certainly least 0.508 in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to ETH forecast on Tuesday, July 25, cost 0.543 coins, certainly greatest 0.584, for the most part least 0.508, which certainly is genuinely critical. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Wednesday, July 26, cost 0.542 coins, truly most extreme 0.583, beautiful least 0.507 in an essentially significant way. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Thursday, July 27, cost 0.545 coins, lovely most extreme 0.586, genuinely least 0.509. Which sort of is genuinely huge. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Friday, July 28, cost 0.549 coins, for the most part greatest 0.590, exceptionally least 0.513, or so they thought. In multi-week United States dollars to ETH expectation on Monday, July 31, cost 0.552 coins, kind of most extreme 0.594, kind of least 0.516. Exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, August 1, cost 0.555 coins, kind of greatest 0.596, essentially least 0.518, by and large further appearance. How Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, July 25, cost $1,841, fundamentally most extreme 1970, really least 1712, which generally is very critical. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Wednesday, August 2, cost 0.557 coins, beautiful most extreme 0.599, kind of least 0.520 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Thursday, August 3, cost 0.576 coins, greatest 0.620, for the most part least 0.538. So dollar to Ethereum figure on Friday, July 28.